2018. My perfect day. I'm living in Finland.
After last trip in Finland, I actually talked with my parents, friends, son a lot about Finland. I didn't sleep that night at all because I had a lot of stuff to think about. I'm not so good at learning languages, but my dad said before if I gonna study Finnish, he gonna pay for my lessons. I remind myself and I said, let's go, Dad. I think my dad regretted a bit because I had lessons almost every day after that.
Minä olen Ivan, olen 19-vuotias tänään. Minä opiskelen suomea 3 viikkona.